Egg casserole, a delicious delight. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a tasty topic: egg casserole. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about English culinary terms, this video is perfect for you. Let's dive into the delicious world of egg casseroles. An egg casserole is a popular dish often served for breakfast or brunch. It's a type of baked dish that combines eggs with various ingredients like cheese, vegetables, and sometimes meat. The beauty of an egg casserole lies in its versatility. You can add almost anything you like. It's a great way to use leftovers and make something new and delicious. In this section, we'll talk about the common ingredients in an egg casserole. Typically, you'll find eggs, milk or cream, cheese, and a starch like bread or potatoes. For variations, you can add vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, or mushrooms, and meats like bacon, sausage, or ham. Each addition changes the flavor and texture, making it a unique dish every time. Egg casseroles are especially popular in Western countries, particularly in the United States and parts of Europe. They are often associated with family gatherings, holidays, and special brunches. This dish is not only delicious but also carries a sense of home and comfort, making it a favorite in many households. Let's share some cooking tips for making a perfect egg casserole. First, balance the egg-to-milk ratio for a creamy texture. Second, use a preheated oven for even cooking. And lastly, let the casserole rest for a few minutes after baking for easier slicing. Remember, the key to a great casserole is experimentation and personalization. Thank you for joining us in exploring the delightful world of egg casseroles. We hope this video has been informative and has inspired you to try making your own egg casserole at home. Happy cooking and learning! Stay tuned for more interesting English language topics.